Here comes Suzuki's newest 4x4 masterpiece. The Jimny is the fourth generation of this iconic best-selling Suzuki car. Carrying the same DNA of a lightweight, authentic off-roader, but now with an improved 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine and a choice of 5-speed manual or 4-speed auto gearbox. Inside a Jimny, you can stay focused on what matters most. Simple, straightforward, sensible design. Every detail is thoughtfully and attractively crafted to support serious off-roading. It's tougher, bolder, and better. With a retro vibe and a boxy, rugged design, giving you a real 4x4 experience like no other. So, whether for the city, the wilderness, or the great outdoors, nobody but the Jimny can take you anywhere you want to go. Every masterpiece is priced at 1,095,000 pesos.